Hi guys, it's me, Bryce2000. Today, I'm on a quest. I'm on a quest to see a rare species of bird, the California condor, one of the rarest birds and animals in the world. There's only 500 left in existence, and 80 of them live in Utah and Arizona. And this is Arizona Grand Canyon, and today, I'm going to be looking for the rare and elusive California condor. Let's go. Is where we'll see the animals we're looking for, like the California condor. And this is one of the stop points to find one of the condors. So let's go visit it. Oh, what's this? A duck on a rock? The White House visit. Some very famous people have visited the Duck on a Rock. This man became a U.S. president shortly after his visit. What is his name and which decade did he visit? Answer: President Dwight D. Eisenhower. And this is a good habitat for the condor because there's a lot of mountainous regions which condors like nesting in, and elk and other large animals like elk. There's a small herd of bison here. There's also bighorn, mule deer, and maybe a few more other animals here. Or here. I think I see some birds over here. Some small birds. Oh, it's right there. On the canyon, you can see them. Zoom in. They're quite small birds that live in pairs. And oop, looks like, whoa, that bird's weird. Ooh, scrub jay, right over there. Scrub jay is a unique species because of its little crown.
Look at that one.
That scrub jay is a big bird, and it's unusual with its little crown on its head. And normally they like eating nuts, fruits, buds, and seeds here in the Grand Canyon. While the scrub jay is getting away, these birds are only one of the animals that are found here in the Grand Canyon. One of the most beautiful birds here in the Grand Canyon. But we didn't see a condor here. But we seen a scrub jay, probably looking for twigs or food for its nest or babies. The California condor is a species of vulture that's out of its time. And the condor is critically endangered because of its ecosystem loss, habitat loss, and humans, of course, because we screw up everything. We screw up everything that's good. And until there's only 22 left in the world. Until they count them all, making them extinct in the wild, and did a captive breeding program, releasing them to Zion National Park, and here, the Grand Canyon, in Baja, Mexico, and I don't know which part of California, but California. So guys, today we're still on the look for the condors. We didn't see any yet. We might have seen them, but we couldn't really identify them. We might have seen them for a little bit until we couldn't, when we lost track of them. So we will still be on the search. There will be an ongoing search for the California condor. was talking about earlier. It's right there in that branch. Don't make any sudden movements. Pretend you're like here. Oh, look, another bird. Not the bird we're looking for. We're seeing many birds here. Beautiful birds, but not the scavengers. Okay, so okay, closer. So here we have the horse and mules.
We got a wild horse here with people on him.
These are mules, like my dad rode in the Grand Canyon. Wait, no, Red Rock.
We're about to leave the Grand Canyon. We failed to find condors.
But hey, there's always the next time. You can see them in Zion, Baja, Mexico, and there's a place in California called Big Sur, and you can go see them in a zoo. The closest one nearby to the Grand Canyon, I personally think, is the Phoenix Zoo. So if you want to see the condors, Phoenix Zoo. So, oh yeah, have a good night and we'll chill till the next episode.
Peace.
Peace.
Where's he at?
Bluebird. Hearing is not with his beak. So return us back to home. So recently, we just found some deer, and I want you guys to see them. Animals, and they can always charge at any moment.